One of the most fascinating things about Salesforce, I think, is the reporting. And this is what it's really all about. At the end of the day, you can optimize process and you spend a lot of time on that. But if you're not getting the insights you need to make decisions to grow your business, change your business, whatever you're trying to do, then what's the point? You need the insight. That's what the reporting does. And with Salesforce, when you add a field or a function, reporting automatically comes with it. So I can quickly add a report type of the story that I'm trying to tell. What picture are you trying to paint? And immediately when I get that, I've got a blank canvas to paint my picture. And on that canvas, I put my columns, and I can decide what columns I want there from the big list of fields that I have at my disposal. And I click and drag them over, or I can just add them via the list of columns. I then group them together, group the rows together. Maybe I'm grouping them demographically, geographically, whatever I'm doing to group them together. I do that, and then I filter down the records on the Filter tab. It's really easy. Then I'm adding graphics, I'm putting it on dashboards, people are subscribing, everybody's got the visibility that they now need. Salesforce is great for reporting. Even companies bring data in from the outside to use this. It's so great. And we're going to talk about that and so much more on May 26th. So join us for our webinar on LinkedIn. You'll find the details. We hope to see you there.